he was my boss when I first met him. And he was my senior manager at that point of time.
इसकी आंखें इतनी नशीली थी. Sorry to sound so filmy.
No, but it's amazing.
It was so नशीली and I was like, मैं खो गया हूँ.
Nobody actually questioned us because firstly Devesh is a boss, so who is going to question him many which ways? And I am in general an introvert as a person, so people will not come to me and just talk something personal with me.
ये तो उल्टा ही लग रहा है.
quickly.
इंट्रोवर्ट यहाँ पे, एक्सट्रोवर्ट यहाँ पे लग
It's
रहा है.
now, but
Okay.
earlier it wasn't the case.
हाँ.
As in when we grew, I understood that Devesh made a lot of sense when he said that खुद से प्यार करूंगा तब तो तुझसे करूंगा.
जो वहाँ करना है मैं 8 घंटा 10 घंटा काम कर रही हूँ, तो अगर मुझे यहाँ पर एक डील से उतना मिल रहा है विद इन अ मंथ, तो देन व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? शी इज द ड्राइविंग फोर्स ऑफ इट. इसने अनेबल किया है मेरे को.
यार तू कितना ग्रीन फ्लैग यार, तू शादी कर ले मेरे से.
I think that's every girl in our comment section. आपका हस्बैंड सिंगल है क्या?
Who is most likely to forget important documents while traveling?
Oh, meow.
म्याओ 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 म्याओ.
Devesh and I had really hard marriage in the initial years of our marriage. It was really hard.
Don't focus on logic.
Just magic.
Welcome to Stars का जुगाड़. मैं हूँ आरजे ग्लेन आपके साथ. Fever FM पर we get you content creators and people who have made a mark in the real. They are constantly in the metaverse to make your universe better. We've got these amazing content creators with us over here. There are a couple of things also. Vishakha Devesh, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me, man.
Thank you so much, Glenn. This was such an amazing introduction, and I think after a long time we've heard such introduction. So thank you so much, and it's for us. So yeah.
You guys deserve it
Thank
because you
you.
guys make our lives really, really happy when I view your content. Tell me, guys, how did you all meet, man?
He was my boss when I first met him. And we were together. It was my first job, and he was my senior manager at that point of time. And then our teams got switched very
After
soon,
a
like
month
I
or
think
two?
after a month or two.
Then but as soon as I saw her, it was her first job. मैंने मेरी आँखियाँ लड़ा ली थी इस पे कि मेरे को I want her in my life. मैंने सोच लिया था जैसे ही मैंने इसको देखा ना कि इसकी आंखें इतनी नशीली थी. Sorry to sound so filmy.
No, but it's amazing.
It was so नशीली and I was like, मैं खो गया हूँ. Sorry, but फिर switch on switch off mode बॉस का भी करना पड़ा कि because I'm boss, I can't show that मैं बहक रहा हूँ थोड़ा. So it was that moment when I like कि अब ये मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो होना चाहिए हमारे बीच में. Like even if it's like not serious, but girlfriend boyfriend तक तो तब. लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम करते गए वैसे वैसे कारवा चलता गया.
But nobody actually questioned us because firstly Devesh is a boss, so who is going to question him many which ways? And I am in general an introvert as a person, so people will not come to me and just talk something personal with
ये
me.
तो उल्टा ही लग रहा है.
quickly.
इंट्रोवर्ट यहाँ पे, एक्सट्रोवर्ट यहाँ पे लग रहा
It's
है.
now, but
Okay.
earlier it wasn't the case. So earlier it was I was introvert and Devesh was like a proper extrovert. Like the party is Devesh. So he'll just like dance all around. He'll just go crazy and he'll dance on baby doll mein sone di on like tables and stuff. But now I think it's just
I've become
opposite right now.
ambivert now.
Ambivert.
Yeah.
I think वो उम्र के साथ हो जाता है. एक्सट्रोवर्ट, एक्सट्रीम एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स ना एक जोन पे पहुंच जाते हैं अपनी
True.
जिंदगी में जहाँ पे बोलते हैं यार थोड़ा स्विच ऑफ करता हूँ.
Yeah.
मतलब आपकी बॉडी वहाँ पे, लेकिन आपकी जो रूह है वो चली गई है लास वेगस. You guys have named your Instagram after your names. No fancy thing. पहले कुछ और
It
नाम था ना?
was.
It
So
was.
it was couple of bitches.
हाँ.
Because so we are rebel kids also. Like we do what we want to do.
Yeah.
We do not believe in making anybody else happy but ourselves. Like we want to prioritize each other's happiness. So we have drew boundaries like a lot of time which are uncomfortable, and we have done all of those things. So we are like bitches. Like people, even if people consider as bitches, we'll be okay. हाँ, हम दोनों खुश है ना. As in when we grew, I understood that Devesh made a lot of sense when he said that खुद से प्यार करूंगा तब तो तुझसे करूंगा.
It's a great line. And actually, you know what? This is so important because वो आप जब एयरप्लेन में भी ट्रैवल करते हैं तो पहले बोलते हैं जो वो ऑक्सीजन मास्क करता है
True.
खुद की
खुद को
सहायता
help
करें
कीजिए,
पहले दूसरों को हेल्प करने से
then
पहले.
you're-
Yeah.
What was that one point where आप दोनों ने कलेक्टिवली डिसाइड किया कि ये कर सकते हैं?
कलेक्टिवली नहीं किया था. पहले मैडम का जिगरा जो है बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हो गया था कि शी वांटेड टू टेक अ लीप ऑफ फेथ कि अगर मैं एक सेट ऑफ सैलरी अर्न कर रही हूँ एक कंपनी से, जॉब से, अगर मुझे उतना मिल रहा है तो देन आई कैन टेक दिस लीप ऑफ फेथ बिकॉज मुझे जो वहाँ करना है मैं 8 घंटा 10 घंटा काम कर रही हूँ, तो अगर मुझे यहाँ पर एक डील से उतना मिल रहा है विद इन अ मंथ, तो then what's the problem?
Yeah.
मेहनत तो उतनी करनी है ना,
Yeah.
I feel
लेकिन मैं
that
अपने लिए करूँ.
yeah.
Yeah.
I feel that that decision also got easier because we started our spiritual journey.
Yeah.
So I think when we started our spiritual journey, we learned a lot of things. We learned how to attract things, how to, you know, take that leap of faith, how to believe in ourselves.
But I like the fact that you named it Vishaka and Devesh, no? Ladies first. Well done.
No, because no, not just ladies
हाँ.
first. It has a motto to
Oh.
it because she is the driving force of it. इसने enable किया है मेरे को.
यार तुम कितना ग्रीन फ्लैग यार, तू शादी कर ले मेरे से.
I think that's every girl in our comment section.
Yes.
आपका husband single है क्या?
दीदी hesitate थोड़ा.
So sweet, man. But that's amazing. What we're going to do is, ये आपका पति है.
Yes.
Now let's check how
है.
telepathy
Yes, है.
he is. This is called the telepathy patni challenge. Let's do this. Ice 1 2.
Break.
Photo 1 2.
Frame.
क्या बात है. Door 1 2.
Closed.
Yeah, no problem. Road 1 2.
Block.
Ways.
Train 1 2.
Train
Late.
Nice.
ये corporate की चीज निकली है अब.
Air 1 2.
Pollution.
धुआं.
Book 1 2.
Worm.
भाई
Nice.
तुम लोग यार जुड़े हुए हो. What is your love language for each other? आपका क्या है इनके लिए?
Since childhood, Devesh has not got his safe space. So I make that space for him. So, and for me, technically, Devesh does acts of service. Like he does all of those because I've been the elder daughter. So I've always been like high on responsibility and, you know, always like, नेता बनूंगी, सबको लेके चलूंगी,
प्रचार करूंगी,
प्रचार
आंदोलन
करूंगी, झगड़े
करूंगी,
सॉल्व
सबको
करूंगी.
ठीक करने में लगी हुई है.
So I think once Devesh just came into my life, I just sort of calmed down.
Tell me, what is that one thing जो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है ना कपल के बीच में कि बॉस खुश रहने के लिए ये चीज करना जरूरी है, एक सक्सेसफुल पार्टनरशिप के लिए. फॉरगेट मैरिज, वो तो बहुत बड़ी बात बोल रहा हूँ. पार्टनरशिप के लिए क्या जरूरी है? I'll start with you, Vishaka, first.
I feel communication,
हाँ.
you know, and just be direct in communications. Like even
Assertive होना.
assertive hona, and say for example, if मेरे दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, if I don't communicate with the other person can't read your freaking mind. You have to be specific. If I need a hug, I have to say I need a hug. And it's okay. You know, there are experience से बोल रही हूँ, of course.
बिल्कुल.
And I feel
होता
that,
है.
you know, a lot of time, say for example, there was longest time where I used to be like, तू मुझे हक क्यों नहीं किया आज? And Devesh used to always be like, तेरे को चाहिए तो मांग ले. I'm like, हाँ यार.
Clarity, पूछना
I can just
जरूरी
ask
है.
for it. You know?
I also personally feel बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि लोग ना समझते हैं कि सामने वाले को समझना चाहिए, and it's not just specific to
Exactly.
women, but men also think उसको समझ में आना चाहिए.
हाँ,
लड़के भी मेरे दोस्त बोलते हैं
बहुत.
उसको समझ, अरे समझ में कैसे आएगा? उसका दिन देखना, what time your partner or your wife started off in the morning, what she must have gone through, कुछ हुआ होगा रास्ते में, बॉस के साथ कुछ, वो बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं बोलती.
Yes.
Similarly with men, बहुत सारी चीजें आदमी भी दबा के रखते हैं
Absolutely.
अंदर,
Yes.
बिकॉज अब क्या जाके घर पे बोलें कि उस बॉस ने ऐसा बोला, ये बोला, वो बोला, कलेश हो गया, ये हो गया. यू डोंट वांट टू ब्रिंग दैट एनर्जी होम. दैट इज माय कम्युनिकेशन. द फर्स्ट थिंग, रेडियो में मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, कम्युनिकेशन इज मोस्ट एसेंशियल. फॉर यू व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग एक सक्सेसफुल रिलेशनशिप के लिए?
फॉर मी स्पेसिफिकली अगर बोलूँ तो काइंडनेस एंड रिस्पेक्ट, लॉयल्टी comes in hand, वो तो है ही, but kindness, empathy, yes.
So before you become someone's pati, empathy.
But I also feel all of those, you know, like top priorities, like for example, kindness and communication is something that we've not got in life.
That's
Exactly why we need that most
crave for it
to make it the most successful relationship, because we've been lacked of it. So you need it right now कि मुझे चाहिए कि kindness हो, because Devesh was not treated in life with kindness, and then suddenly changed when he started to expect a little bit of kindness, and I started to give him that. So I think that also
It's a
is
great
there.
partnership.
Yeah.
I like the way you all have this camaraderie, एक bonding जो है, you all are supporting each other in your times of good and bad, and I think the relationship evolves with time. You will keep figuring out things. It always starts off, मैं बोलता ना, एक evolve होता है, एक हर रिश्ता शुरू होता है by hugging each other tightly. फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा सा, मतलब नॉट डिस्टेंस बट द कंफर्ट लेवल ऐसे आ जाता है कि दोनों सो रहे हैं लेकिन पैर है, ये तेरा साइड है, मेरा साइड, पैर टच हो रहे हैं.
अभी तो ऐसा टाइम आ गया कि आंखों से इशारा होती है कि
हाँ सॉर्टेड है.
व्हाट शी मींस.
आप दोनों कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, कपल, फैमिली, प्यार, इश्क, मोहब्बत और हस्बैंड वाइफ पे रील्स बनाते हैं, लेकिन अब हम आपको टेस्ट करेंगे. ये होगी आपकी अग्नि परीक्षा. आई एम गोइंग टू से something, okay, and you've got to tell me who's most likely to, okay. If Divesh is most likely to, you give me your favorite animal.
Cat.
You will meow. Okay,
I'll meow.
if he's most likely to.
Got it.
मेरा भी cat ही है तो
Oh
मैं भी
shit.
क्या लूँ?
So I'll do woof.
Huh?
I'll take the dog.
Okay.
And you do the
Wow.
cat.
Yeah.
ठीक है. If she's most likely to, you will do the cat sound. And if he's most likely to, you will do the dog sound. You'll bark. Okay.
Understood.
Who's most likely to be more romantic?
Meow.
Meow.
Who's most likely to apologize after a fight?
Meow.
Meow.
Who's most likely to give really cool gifts?
Woof.
Woof.
Ah, nice.
Bow, 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 bow.
So मैं फिर से कॉन्टेक्ट देना चाहूंगा. अगर दिवेश करते हैं ये, then it is a dog sound.
Yes.
And if you do it, it's
It's a
a
cat
cat sound. All right. Who's most likely to forget important documents while traveling?
Oh, meow.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
All right. Who's most likely to spend impulsively?
Woof.
बोलती बात हो गई. Nice one. Who's most likely to forget to respond to a text?
Meow.
Meow.
Last
500
one.
text है अभी भी. Unread. Unread.
ये सब नहीं बोलना होता.
Who's most likely to do something absolutely crazy like get a colored hair, like some really weird color?
Oh no, woof. Hair color तो नहीं, but अजीब hair cuts.
Bizarre.
Bizarre
things in life.
Yeah,
Yes.
You
bizarre
guys
things
are
in life.
amazing. Now I can really see
Yeah,
fire
yeah.
and ice over here. It's
Yeah.
amazing how you all balance out each other.
Like, I mean, it's just public information out there that Devesh and I had really hard marriage in the initial years of our marriage. It was really hard. But then we obviously went into spirituality. We understood each other better. We understood the life better. Therapies also we took, and we keep on taking it till date. And we keep on doing our spiritual practices as well. So I think once we sort of resolved everything, the main growth happened last year for us, where
कहाँ से
at
कहाँ
the
तक
start of the year we were around 60K.
60K.
And right now, I mean,
Jan
end of the year,
2024 we were at 60K.
and
now
end of
you're
the
like
year we were
700K.
600K. So now right
10
now we are
times the growth.
700K.
Just
Don't
start.
focus on logic.
Just magic.
Yeah.
Don't focus on logic, just magic, and that's the word. And I think that's the mic drop for me on this moment. This is Stars Ka Jugaad. I've got two superstars with me who are not just successful on the gram but in life also. आपने एक दूसरे को कमाया, आज अपने audiences को कमाया, and most importantly, I hope you make lots of money but have double the health and the mental peace to handle that money
Thank
and
you
that fame.
so much.
This is best
Thank
wish.
you. Grateful.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.